Hi guys, it's Marlene. I am one of the Information Girls, and today I'm going to talk about hate speech policy, and this is in the YouTube community guidelines. All of this will be linked in the description box below. So, of course, as we always say, we want to protect the safety of our creators, viewers, and partners. It's a high priority on YouTube, so it's important for you to understand what is in the community guidelines. So this was updated on June 5th, 2019. Hate speech is not allowed on YouTube. We remove content promoting violence or hatred against individual or groups based on any of the following attributes: age, caste, disability, ethnicity, gender identity or expression, nationality, race, immigration status, religion, sex and gender, sexual orientation, victims of a major violent event and their kin, and veteran status. Of course, there's much more examples of this, but this is the example that was given in the guidelines. So what does this policy mean for you? If you're posting content, don't post content if the purpose of your content is to do one or more of the following: encourage violence against individuals or groups, or that is intended to imply violence as real threats. So you can learn more about the policies of threats and harassment there. So, of course, if these are displayed and you are monetized, it's going to affect your channel. So here are some examples of that is not allowed on YouTube. I'm glad that this violent event happened. They got what they deserved, referring to persons with the attributes noted above. Persons with this attributes are dogs, or persons with this attributes are like animals. It's not allowed on YouTube. What happens if content violates this policy? You will get an email to let you know. And if this is your first time, you will get a warning. If it's not, you will get a strike against your channel. And of course, if you get 3 strikes in 90 days, your channel will be terminated. All of this information is here, and it will be linked in the description box or in the comment section. I am Marlene. I am one of the Information Girls. And as we say here on the Information Girls, no rumors, just the facts.
Information Girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep inside.